This next one is a song that's kind of getting its first few run-outs the last few nights. Even though it's a song I brought out a while back, but yeah, I thought it was time. So this is called Couldn't Tell. Question the king upon leaving, said open your eyes when you see him. With her when the singing came easy, all gold cut the sun in the evenings. But the birds have stopped singing this season. Alright, definite scheming. I've never been good at this really, I started to see the birds need a reason to sing. I'll be making my way. Walk tall and don't go where you're lonely. Curse of our sinning and healing. I do all of this hoping she'll see me. Envy the sea, heavy ceiling. The water and all of it breathing. Sacred the secrets I'm keeping. How we danced under circular ceilings. All the embraces we've been in. Bring back one last time for the songs we saw. Second guessing it all. You were keeping me well. All of my secrets releasing his pieces of me alone, honestly destined to fail. But you were all on my mind till we what we are, till we kissed in the car. Now I couldn't. Falling, vulnerable as hell, not stalling, calling. For the summers we saw, second guessing it all.